Hello, everyone. This is assistant coach Phatyl with the Attacks Gym coming at you again with another one of my hygiene products. Here's one of the toothpaste that I enjoy using, and I like this product because it doesn't have all the harmful stuff like in other toothpaste, and it doesn't have that SLL, which a lot of the other companies will still include. And SLL is the chemical that makes your toothpaste foam more. It doesn't have that. This is as natural as it can possibly get. There's all the ingredients right there. If you try this product, let me know. If you haven't tried the product, I suggest you try it out. It keeps my breath nice and fresh, and I enjoy it. You already know what to do. Hit the like, hit the share, hit the subscribe. The links below. Got all our other social media pages. Check out our instructional well on all our martial arts stuff. Until then, you guys have a blessed day. Asante Shana. Ashe.